To get started, you simply need to approach the machine. Once you approach the machine, you simply need to scan your ID just under the scanner right here, so it actually allows you to play if you're the age you are able to be. Once you do that, you want to insert the bills right here, because depending on your location, you may or may not be able to use credit card or debit card. In my case, I can only pay with dollar bills. Once you click on confirm for the amount that you've actually put in the slot right here, you will simply see a selection of different lottery tickets we can buy. In this case, if you want to buy this one just on the top row or the side row, you can actually see there's this little grid over here which you basically want to align with the ticket you actually want to buy just by clicking on the number for the ticket you want to buy. In this case, if I want to buy the third one on the second row, I can click this button right here, or if I want to buy the quick picks, I can click on the top option in the top row right here. Once you've actually bought your ticket, they'll be dispensed in this very bottom pouch where you can simply pick up your tickets, and if you actually win a bonus game, you can simply slide them into the slot right here, and it will again dispense you another ticket so you can play. And depending on your location, there are different withdrawal methods. In this case, you can mostly go to gas stations, or if you have a bigger prize, you have to mail it in. If you ever end up winning $500 or more, you have to mail it in.